Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the attachment section and also the steps to redirect to the account integrated with the opportunity in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the opportunities application, he or she can click on the required opportunity from the landing page. The details view of the opportunity is displayed. The attachment section can be viewed by clicking the Attachments tab. The user can view the existing attachments once the section is open. The user can add a new attachment by clicking on the Add Attachment button. The documents added to the system via the KEBS bot will be displayed here. The user needs to select the document to be attached. The existing documents can be previewed by clicking in the landing page. The attachments can be deleted by clicking the Delete button. The attachments can be downloaded as well. The user can navigate to the account integrated with the opportunity by clicking on the in-account hyperlink in the details view. That is how an opportunity and an account are interlinked. Thank you for watching.